This car doesn't have AC, and it is actually just hot as balls. I'm not looking forward to driving this car during the summer at Spirit Peaks. Honestly, it's gonna be so fucking hot. But anyways, we're back at the garage today. After taking the car for a bit of a shakedown and like skidding around, putting some stress on the suspension over the last couple days, I wanted to go around and do like a quick little bolt check, make sure everything's staying together right. And then one thing that Marco was telling me is that I should probably lower the rear a little bit, because as you can tell, the front sits a bit lower than the back, and he said that was probably causing me to have a little bit of understeer over at the lot where we were in the last video. So yeah, I'm probably gonna lower the rear a little bit more, check bolts, and then that'll probably be it, to be honest. I don't know if there's much else that I wanted to do today. Oh yeah, one thing I want to try and get done today. The passenger window doesn't go down, so I want to check to see if that switch down there is maybe broken, because it just doesn't feel like it's clicking right, but I don't know. I want to figure it out because I have to get that fixed for Spirit Peaks, don't I? Because I think you have to drive with your windows down, don't you? I don't know. That's what I've been told. I don't know. But anything, I just need to get it down so Kaylee will actually go on a cruise with us, because she refuses to go unless I can get that window fixed, because it's just too hot in that car without AC. Trying to get footage. Oh yeah. What? Oh, nice.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, that boy's going. As you can see, we still have a little bit of adjustment left on here. So no, I'm probably just gonna go as low as I can, and then if anything, we might have to take out like one of the collars. I don't know. I have such a hard time with these spanner wrenches. These things are so fucking annoying to use.
Right.
I mean, like, yeah, it's down all the way, so I guess it's just fucking send it.
They're putting it down all the way.
I mean, I guess if anything at this point, we'll just have to raise the front a little bit.
Nah, dump the front too. Rub frame. And your fucking tire's already fucked.
Oh no, it was like that when I got it.
Oh.
Oh, actually, I don't know if it was that bad.
That's bad.
Yeah, that is bad. What the heck?
Fuck it, I'll run it till it blows.
This guy.
Let's just hope it won't be on the streets.
Fast. Dude, it was completely stock. I looked at it and I looked back and I kind of broke my neck.
I like the red.
I do too. Hellrot red.
Yeah.
That's like rare.
Sick.
It's moving. It's going up.
Going up
On a Tuesday.
and your girl in the club is doing there.
Doesn't Bobby Schmurda get out today?
Supposedly.
Tell us what's going on. Interview. What's going on?
I'm trying to get this bolt in for the shock, but it won't go in. Yo, this ground is so fucking hot.
Right.
Oh, bro. Okay, where is my 18? Let's see if this visual. Oh, don't want to be fucking up my new sunglasses.
New Ray-Bans.
My girl got those for me.
Ooh.
I got the drink them nights.
Oh. Uh-oh.
I think she's tight. So I'm jacking up the rear, and I don't want the car to come off jack stand, so I had Gabe's go to sit in the back. This man fell in. I'm pretty sure he broke. Oh yeah, you snapped it. The little cover in the back. This man. All right, we got these lowered down the rest of the way. Now we're gonna do a quick bolt check on the rear, make sure everything is still staying together good. Alright, so we might have a little bit of a problem. I was checking the bolts on the axle on this side, and I went to turn it here. So this side is turning, but then this side, here, you want to put it at the other axle?
I can see it at that side too.
It's like it'll go until a certain point, and then it'll lock up. and then you go back the other way. Like there's just a little bit of play. So I don't know if I already blew up the diff or what. I mean, I was whipping it earlier today just fine. There's no clunking. I mean, I guess I'll just keep driving on it until I can't. But fuck, that sucks.
Oh my god.
It's a little more level, I guess.
Yeah, it's like an inch off at most.
Yeah, it looks
That's
better.
not too bad. I put the seat all the way to the front. Wait, did I leave my keys out there? Fuck me. Alright, I'm gonna just do like some turns around in this area to see if we can hear any clunking from the diff.
It's so quiet.
Right? I need to get an exhaust on this thing real fast.
Still skipping.
Yeah. I guess we'll just keep an eye on it on the way to Buffalo Wild Wings?
Yeah.
Bet. So we just got back from getting Buffalo Wild Wings, and like, it almost felt like the diff wasn't locked up like it's supposed to. And when we pulled in, like, I made a slow, sharp turn, and like, it felt like it wanted to skip, and then there's just like a big pop. I mean, nothing like seems like it's broken. Like everything still looks all right. I think we just gotta get her up on jack stands and look at it.
Look at it.
Fuck, dude. Ugh. I'm gonna back out and then probably turn out and go that way. Turn around towards like the Honda.
Alright.
Come on. Huh? Well, I'm gonna turn like this way. It's open. The dip is not locked at all.
Oh no! Oh no!
No! I think those last skids just destroyed it.
Oh!
That's so sad.
Wait, make a sharp right again.
Sharp right?
Yeah. Or left, my bad.
Nope.
That pop might have been it finally just given up.
Maybe.
So we think the pop might have been the diff finally just giving up. I'm so shook, man. Man. I'm so sad. I mean, it was fun while it lasted. I mean, like, we know it drifts well with the welded diff. Oh, do you have another diff?
Yeah.
Is there anything wrong with this one?
Yeah, the only thing is we had to take off the pinion. So,
Pinion?
yeah, so, because look, if you look right here, it's like hitting the casing.
Oh.
So if we can take that out, you can use that one.
Wait, so we can just take out the pinion entirely?
So this right here is like the pinion gear all the way through.
Yeah.
And if we can take this nut off, we can enter from right there and then pull the little piece out.
I mean, I guess that's... Or we just try and find a welded diff online.
Yeah, true. That's true too.
Well, I mean, she still drives, which is... Like, there's no, like, big grinding or anything from the rear, so, like... How does that work? Whatever. I'm gonna just take a dab and fucking eat some Buffalo Wild Wings, and we'll figure it out. Bro, I swear, I'm just getting fucked all around today. I ordered spicy garlic boneless wings, but nah, they gave me regular ass buffalo sauce. Today's just not my day. So we're deciding not to use that other diff. It's a 293, which isn't a high enough ratio to give enough torque for this car. The one that I have in there right now is what, a 351, I think? 353?
345.
Oh, a 345. Yeah, the one that I have in here right now is a 345. And I want to try to get something around that at least. I don't know. A 391 would be fun.
Yeah, those expensive.
Yeah, they are expensive. Aren't those LSDs too? No?
Some are, but
Some are. Okay. So yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and find one. It doesn't seem like there's enough online though. Like there's nothing really online for us. But I don't know. We'll figure something out eventually.
You go give you a switch.
Yeah. All right, so I decided, since everything else is kind of going to shit today, I'd try and figure out the window situation. I had a feeling it was just the switch, and sure enough, we just took the driver's side switch, which obviously works with that window. We just put it on the passenger side, and here. Thing's mint. Like, it's perfectly fine. And this was like one of the fucking 3 issues with the car when I got it. So I already fixed the rev hanging, I already fixed the window, and the dude said like it drank a little bit of oil, but I mean, I haven't lost any oil since I started driving it, so but this thing's more mint than I even thought, to be honest. I'm hyped. That's awesome. So this 60-year-old woman gave us some anime posters yesterday, so we thought we'd put them up in the shop. I'd say starting to really feel like home. So I didn't really feel like dropping the diff again today to take it apart to see what it looks like, but I figured since we're here, where'd they go? Where'd the spacers go? Oh, they're right here. I figured I'd test fit these 15 mil spacers that Gabe had lying around. I'm gonna test fit them on the front to see how much we can get this to come out a little bit. I'm not sure. I think 15 probably won't be big enough. Probably gonna run closer to like a 20 or a 25, but I don't know. We'll see what these look like. All right, so we got the 15 on. It's a little bit better. I mean, we could still fit probably even double that almost. Here's it compared to the other side. Way more tucked on this side. So yeah, I think what we're gonna try and stack this second 15 mil on it just to see how it looks. I'm definitely not gonna run it like that because we just only have 2 spacers right now and it just doesn't make sense to do that. All right, so we don't have long enough bolts to actually be able to put these on, but it looks like 30 mil worth of spacer would be about perfect for this. So yeah, I'll definitely run 30s up front for sure, and then we'll see how 30s look on the rear. All right, this is how 30 mil worth of spacer is it on there already?
I fucked it.
This man. Oh. Cut. All right, take 2. These are the 2 15 mil, making 30 mil worth of spacer. And it looks like, honestly, this will be about perfect. Might have to like roll the fender a little bit. But yeah, it looks like 30s in the rear are gonna be just about perfect. Hey, baby girl. No. All right, so I made it back home. We managed to get everything we wanted to get done today. Kinda bummed that we blew the diff, but I don't know. At the end of the day, we'll just be able to weld it up even better than before, and hopefully it'll be even stronger than it was. But I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.